Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. And today I want to show you kind of a final video, the final checkout of a 191 Western Electric, and it's a 3-slot payphone. Gloria from Kansas sent this telephone in, and I'll show you the 191. Now, what we did was we actually installed a modular port, and it looks a lot cleaner with the wiring now. Everything's been rewired and taken care of. We secured the bell and added a cap to the circuit. The original cap, which is right here, and this is kind of how it was, the wire going to it, and the capacitor itself was shorted. So that's all trash now, and we can get rid of that. So anyway, we worked on this door, this plate that someone had put in, and you see this once in a while, they put these blank plates in where the vault door and lock was. And when I got this plate finally off, which was pretty tight in there because they shoved it in and kind of beat it in, I found what looks like the original cash box, which is a very cool find. You don't see these very often. A lot of phones do have them still, but the way this one was chopped up, this phone here, it seemed to me like finding this cash box was just like a plus, and I just couldn't hardly believe that it was still in there. But sure enough, there it is. And so anyway, let's do this. Let's check the phone out. This phone will not work properly unless the body faceplate is on it, but it will ring. So let's do that. We repaired the bell. I'm not real big on these type of bells. I don't care much for them. I prefer the smaller round ones or the bigger ones that were in the 2500 set. These were usually in the mini walls and stuff, but there's our capacitor that we installed and repaired all the wiring in here and got everything taken care of that needed to be taken care of. And it looks like they chopped on the money chute a little bit, but luckily there's enough of it there that the money's going to drop through and everything's going to be fine. Let's put the body on real quick, the faceplate. And I was explaining this to Gloria. What you want to do here, since her lock is bad, and she's just going to go ahead and use it this way, which is fine. A lot of people do. And the lock is damaged, so what we're going to do here is, I told her if she had a little screwdriver like this, what she could do is just about 2 o'clock. You want to push, if this was mounted on the wall, you could actually push the body on real well, but since it's not, you kind of got to clamp it with your hand and just put it in about 2 o'clock and turn it to about 1 o'clock, and that'll lock it, and that should do it. And so if you want to unlock it, you just put it in about 1 o'clock, go to about 2 o'clock, and you can see now that it's unlocked. So, and just gently do that, and if you push the body in pretty tight, it'll take the pressure off the lock and it'll lock. You just need it to catch a little bit. They had real good locks in them, and it's nice and tight once it's done. Another thing that we did to this telephone is we took this vault door and I installed in this blank plate a lock. And I'll let you get a look at that here. This is what we installed here. So we had to install the lock and put the little clamp on it, so that the bracket, so that once it would catch once you put the door on like this. There you go. It's all locked and ready to go. It'll keep the neighborhood kids out of it anyway, from buying bubble gum with the money that this thing's going to generate. So anyway, that's a little bit of the phone, and we're going to go ahead and ring it. Should hear dial tone. And I'm going to go ahead and dial numbers. And then a 2. I'm going to go ahead and hang up, and we're going to drop some money in it real quick. And I want this to set. I'm going to lean it back a little bit because it'd be more like that on the wall. I might be able to set something under it. Might try to do that. It'll be sitting a little more, and you can hear the quarters gong. Then the nickel. That'll hit the bell once, and then a dime will hit twice. And another thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and I'm going to put this phone into a regular line, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and call a time and temp number. Should hear a dial tone. And go ahead and dial that.
Drive 1 and you'll know at Offenburg Ford in Belleville and O'Fallon. Today is Thursday, March 11th. The time is 10:57. Current temperature at 53 degrees.
Okay, so all that's working, and I'll show you 100% modulation. Let's dial it 2 again. And if you look at that, if you look at the analyzer here, once I get it plugged in, and dial 2 again, you'll see a red light, and that's 100% modulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So this telephone is finished up and ready to be shipped back to Gloria. I think she'll be pretty happy to get this telephone, and it turned out real nice. And I think everything's going to work out just great with it. We'll check our money here now. We've got some bubble gum money. And sure enough, it dropped right into the bucket. So we're okay. I think everything's going to be just great. And this telephone is going to be a lot of fun to see it in actual use. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.